In today's data-driven world, businesses rely on predictive analysts to forecast future trends, behaviors, and outcomes. Let's delve into the fascinating world of predictive analytics and explore the key responsibilities, skills, and qualifications required for this role. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the role of a predictive analyst. So, what exactly does a predictive analyst do? A predictive analyst utilizes statistical models, data analysis, and machine learning techniques to develop predictive models that inform strategic decision-making. But what qualifications do you need to become a predictive analyst? A bachelor's degree in statistics, mathematics, computer science, data science, or a related field is typically required. Advanced roles may require a master's or PhD in a quantitative field. Technical skills are the cornerstone of a predictive analyst's toolkit, essential for unlocking the potential of data. Proficiency in statistical analysis and modeling is paramount, encompassing expertise in hypothesis testing, regression analysis, time series analysis, and various machine learning algorithms. Fluency in programming languages like Python and R is indispensable for data manipulation, analysis, and model implementation. Moreover, a solid grasp of data manipulation tools such as Pandas and NumPy, coupled with data visualization tools like Matplotlib and Seaborn, is vital for exploring and interpreting complex datasets effectively. Database knowledge, including familiarity with query languages like SQL, is essential for efficient data retrieval and management. Finally, expertise in machine learning algorithms and frameworks like Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch empowers predictive analysts. These technical skills collectively equip predictive analysts to navigate the dynamic landscape of data science with confidence and precision. Analytical skills are the bedrock of a predictive analyst's success, enabling them to extract meaningful insights from vast datasets. Critical thinking is essential, allowing analysts to approach problems with a logical and analytical mindset, dissecting complexities to unveil underlying patterns. Strong problem-solving abilities are vital for tackling intricate business challenges, utilizing data-driven methodologies to formulate innovative solutions. With a keen eye for pattern recognition, analysts uncover trends within data, harnessing this knowledge to inform strategic decisions. Attention to detail is paramount, ensuring precision in data analysis and model development, thereby enhancing the reliability and efficacy of predictive models. Certifications. Relevant certifications can enhance the qualifications of a predictive analyst. Examples include certifications from reputable organizations, such as the Data Science Council of America, DASCA, or Microsoft Certified Azure AI Engineer Associate, certifications specific to machine learning, such as Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer or AWS Certified Machine Learning. Key responsibilities. Their responsibilities include data exploration, model development, feature engineering, validation and testing, collaboration with cross-functional teams, and effective communication of findings. Impressive. Now, let's talk about something everyone's curious about: salary. Expected salary. Entry-level predictive analysts can expect to earn between $75,000 to $85,000 per year, while mid-level professionals may earn $95,000 to $105,000. Senior-level predictive analysts can earn $110,000 to $130,000 or more annually. There you have it. A glimpse into the world of predictive analysts. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into exciting careers in the data science field. Until next time, stay curious.